Hey everyone, welcome to Kitchen Love Letters. Today I'm going to show you how to make my family's favorite dish, shredded pork and carrot stir-fry. This dish is super easy to make and goes perfectly with rice or noodles. So let me show you how to make it. You're definitely gonna want to make this once you see the end result. First, prepare 4 cloves of garlic. Slice the garlic first, then chop it finely. This will help release more flavor when you cook it. Next, prepare 4 slices of ginger. For scallions, cut them in the middle to separate the white and green parts. Cut the white parts into 2 sections, then cut them in half again. Cut the green parts into small pieces the same way. Don't mix them together, because we'll use them at different times during cooking. Prepare 1 peeled carrot. Carrots are especially known for their high beta-carotene content. Prepare some black fungus. Soak it thoroughly before eating, but avoid soaking for more than 8 hours. Green bell peppers are especially good for people trying to lose weight and those who need more vitamin C. Red bell peppers are especially good for people who need antioxidants, want to improve their skin, and boost their immune system. The vegetables are all prepped. Now let's prepare the shredded pork. Prepare a piece of pork. I recommend using tenderloin. It's the most tender and leanest cut on the pig. Slice the meat along the grain. The slices shouldn't be too thick. Cut the slices into strips. Add appropriate amounts of soy sauce, dark soy sauce, rice wine, baking soda, and cornstarch. Then add a little bit of oil. It's important to wait until the marinade is fully mixed into the meat before adding the oil. Now let's start cooking. Pour in a small amount of oil and heat over medium-high heat. When the oil is hot, add the shredded pork to the pan. Spread out the pork strips. The pork will turn slightly darker in color. Transfer the pork to a bowl and get ready to stir-fry the carrots and other vegetables. Add a little more oil. Add the ginger slices. Add the minced garlic. Add the white parts of the scallions and continue stir-frying until fragrant. The garlic will start to sizzle. Add the shredded carrots. Add a small amount of water and stir-fry for 30 seconds. Add the wood ear mushrooms and continue stir-frying for 30 seconds. Add salt and sugar. Continue stir-frying for 30 seconds. Add the pork we cooked earlier. Since the pork is already about 70% cooked, just stir-fry for another 30 seconds. Then add the bell peppers and the green parts of the scallions. Stir-fry for 10 seconds. Pour in some cornstarch and water mixture. When you see the sauce has thickened, our stir-fry is done. It smells amazing. I hope you try making our shredded pork and carrot stir-fry recipe. Finally, I'll add a few drops of vinegar to give the dish a slight tangy flavor and make it even more delicious. Let me know if you like it. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to this channel. I'll keep sharing delicious dishes. Thank you.